Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm showing you guys an amazing software. It's called CreateStudio. So with this software, you guys can animate. It's really cool. So I used to use a software called Polygon. I still am going to use it, but this is amazing. This is a computer-only program, guys. You could be compatible with Windows and Mac PC, so you guys can download it. This is the page. I'm gonna have all the links on the description for you guys, so you can see. It tells you basically how to get started. There's a bunch of cool stuff on their website. You have like different formats, your landscape, square, vertical, tells you all about that. You can doodle, you can sketch, you can sketch videos just like this. You can play that video and watch it, and you can see, that's basically what they're about. So, new updates, and you can see just like that, guys, you can make these cool animations. So it's really simple and easy to do. And you can see just like that. That's just like the animation you guys are seeing right now. That you guys can actually create using CreateStudio. Definitely worth it, guys. Alright, so you guys can see this is what it looks like. So when you download it, you're going to have all these different effects. You get used to it. I'm actually going to walk you guys through on how to get started using this. They do have videos. They do have a YouTube channel, which I'm going to get into. But you can easily, you see that right here, you can easily animate, guys. It's really, really simple. You have so much features with this. We're going to go through the pricing and everything for this software, guys. Alright, so scrolling down, we're going to see buy now, and this is when we get into the different pricing. So you get started, creating better videos faster. Alright, so just taking a look at the prices, we can see that we have two main prices. So you do $99 a year, or you can do $299 a year. So it's CreateStudio, and it's also CreateStudio Plus. You get all access pass for the $299 a year, so you obviously get more. But with the $99 a year, you do get a bunch of features, but not as much. So this right here is your YouTube channel. You guys can go subscribe to them, watch his videos, they do like tutorials. And if you guys want to learn how to use this program and software, you guys can, watch their videos. And they're constantly updating this. So, they're constantly adding like additional features. So, you can also email them. You can also, comment their YouTube channel, or send a message directly and just, ask them questions about their software, any issues or problems you can ask them. So I do like a contact page. So yeah, like any suggestions you have, you can probably email them or ask them. All right, so jumping in, guys, this when you guys download their software, you can create a project, and you have different templates to use. So you also have different characters you can use, Instagram, Facebook. So there's a bunch of different options you guys can start off with. So let's just scroll down some of the options for you. Alright, and then you can choose the one you want, and then see it's loading. So what I really like about this software is that you guys can easily animate for, I think kids is good for, animate for any kind of audience. So we're actually going to start like a YouTube channel and just animate for kids specifically. Do like kid animations, because I think it'll be really cool, and I think this software is amazing for that, as well as other features. So we're going to start a YouTube channel with that. Like I said, it's really easy to use. So right now we're just choosing one, and it's gonna load up that template for us. So let's give it a couple seconds here to load. Alright, so here you go, guys. So when you first introduced to here, okay, so you guys can make more projects. You can see on the top, guys, you have media and studio. So I'm going to zoom into that. You guys can actually press on that for studio, and you can see different effects. That's how you guys get started. Alright, and then you have different projects. So my editor actually is already working on some projects, and it takes a little time to get used to it. You got to play around with it, get used to it, and then once you get used to it, you can make these in like really quickly. It just takes time, just explore with it. But this is basically the interface you're going to get, okay? So you have your video playing, you'll have to in the bottom, just like a video editor. You're going to have like your different sources playing, and, for your video, for your animation. As you see, press in Studio, we have all these different effects, guys. So, obviously, depending on which version you buy, you won't get as much effects as buying their premium, version of $299 a year, which is a lot of money. But just to say, guys, if you do work hard and you start a YouTube channel or some kind of business, you can earn that money back. That's the great thing. So most animation softwares are a lot of money, but for this one to be $299 a year, it's a little expensive, but it's not bad. This is amazing software. So I definitely think it's definitely worth the money. Definitely invest into it if you're serious about making animations. So you can see you have a lot of customization options, not just, templates. You have different backgrounds, different characters. You also can change the background, like colors. So there's so much, effects you guys have with this animation tool. So with all that being said, I hope you guys, try this tool out. If you like it, definitely, buy it to support developers. And yeah, guys, I will catch you next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.